I put this car real quick in neutral. Pop this little plastic right here, and then from there you could just like stick like something small. And then,
Are you recording for your TikTok?
yeah. I won't put you in it if you.
No, you're good.
I think these cars are not that heavy.
Meeting you.
You too. Take care. Have a good one.
Take it.
Well, I haven't dropped it off. Where you guys want to put it first?
Right in back, right? There's like a dumpster. Park it.
Pop it in. Put your foot on the brake. Gotta get blessed her with the. And then you can here too. Fuck it. Fuck it. One for now, one for later.
Ya terminé, pa.
Hombre, por fin, hombre, se tardó todo pinche día.
Como el labio.
De gracias, venga, se todo con para. Kill it. Oh, what's good, bro? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
What happened to it?
I mean,
Estamos hablando por los dos teléfonos.
you're lying, bro. You was really available 24/7, bro. That's hey.
I think you see me on IG.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, no, my bad. Oh, my bad. No, let me hear it. Yeah. Hold on, put me off. Shit that. You have the keys, let me put it in. Neutral. Suavecito, baby.